In this video, I explain the difference between modular and traditional kitchens and help you decide which one is right for your home. We'll compare layout flexibility, storage efficiency, cost, maintenance, and long-term value. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. Let's break it down clearly and practically. What is a modular kitchen? A modular kitchen is made up of pre-designed cabinet units that are manufactured in factories and assembled on-site. These units are designed for efficiency, modern aesthetics, and optimized storage. Standardized modules, easy installation, clean, modern finishes, customizable layouts. Modular kitchens focus on functionality and space optimization. What is a traditional kitchen? A traditional kitchen is typically built on-site by carpenters, often customized from scratch based on the space available. Fully custom-built, flexible material choices, often more detailed woodwork, longer installation time. Traditional kitchens allow more craftsmanship and design flexibility. Storage and functionality comparison. Modular kitchens usually offer smarter internal storage solutions, such as pull-out drawers, corner organizers, and built-in systems. Traditional kitchens can include custom storage, but may not always include factory-finished mechanisms. Organization efficiency, accessibility, long-term usability. Cost comparison. Modular kitchens often have predictable pricing because components are standardized. Traditional kitchens may vary widely in cost depending on materials, craftsmanship, and labor. Budget considerations, maintenance costs, replacement flexibility, durability, and maintenance. Modular kitchens are easier to repair because individual units can be replaced. Traditional kitchens may require more extensive repairs if damage occurs. Material durability. Water resistance, long-term upkeep, aesthetic and design style. Modular kitchens usually lean toward modern, sleek, and minimalist styles. Traditional kitchens often suit classic, rustic, or handcrafted aesthetics, visual preferences, home style compatibility. Which should you choose? If you prefer modern functionality, efficient storage, and faster installation, a modular kitchen may be the best. Better option. If you value craftsmanship, fully custom details, and classic design elements, a traditional kitchen may suit you better. The right choice depends on your budget, lifestyle, and long long-term plans. Both modular and traditional kitchens have strengths. The key is understanding your priorities before making a decision. Subscribe for more interior design comparisons.